It's a cooler day here in my neck of the woods, and this week has been really challenging in the fact that my refrigerator decided not to work anymore. So, the first segment you see are the Lowe's wonderful employees installing the new one. I'm so thankful it stopped snowing just when they arrived. Saw these bunny ear cookie design on Pinterest. I am using my own recipe for the cookie themselves. And then what I'm doing is saving some of the cookie dough to give to my friends who are coming over this weekend to help me with a few chores. And I am also saving some of the dough for my grandbabies and daughter when they visit next week. While the cookies bake at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes, I'll go ahead and wrap the cookie dough and then place in the freezer. To preserve some of my culinary herbs from last year, I've had lemongrass and oregano sitting in vinegar for the last, I would say, 5 months. So today I'm straining those and put them in respective bottles so that I can use them for salad dressings this summer. And that is all today, my friends. I'm hoping that within the next few weeks, I can start a bobbin lace project. I can continue spinning the nettle that I carded a couple weeks ago. And of course, it'll be soon time to start digging the garden. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.